Are you really saving money with couponastro.com? Or is it just another site making big promises that don't add up? Couponastro.com presents itself as a platform filled with verified discount codes and exclusive deals from top brands, and on the surface, that sounds tempting for anyone looking to grab a bargain. But when you take a closer look, there are a few things that don't sit right. For starters, the site itself is very new, only appearing around September 2025, which means it doesn't have much of a track record or reputation to rely on. On top of that, the branding feels a bit confusing, almost as if it's trying too hard to look like other established coupon websites without really having its own identity. The bigger issue, though, comes down to the actual codes. Many of them simply don't work, leaving users frustrated after wasting their time copying and trying discounts that never activate at checkout. Another red flag is the so-called exclusive deals. In reality, some of the discounts look far too unrealistic to be genuine, which raises doubts about whether the platform is actually partnering with brands or just pulling random numbers to attract clicks. What's more, when you search for reviews or real user experiences, there's practically nothing out there. No feedback, no verified testimonials, and no sign of a genuine community using this site. That absence of transparency makes it hard to trust, especially when compared to more established coupon platforms that at least have a history of user interaction and proof of legitimacy. So, while couponastro.com tries to position itself as a money-saving solution, the reality feels more like a hit-or-miss experience, with more misses than hits. It's not the worst site ever, but it's definitely not living up to the promises it makes, and whether you choose to risk your time with it is completely up to you.